Hello viewers, welcome to Kavi's Math Period. Here goes a problem in mensuration for grade 10. Nathan, an engineering student, was asked to make a model shaped like a cylinder with two cones attached at its two ends. The diameter of the model is 3 cm and its length is 12 cm. If each cone has a height of 2 cm, find the volume of the model that Nathan made. So what are the given data? For the model, diameter is given to be 3 cm. So model means it includes the figure cylinder shape plus two cones at the ends. So here the diameter of the model is given to be 3 cm. From that we have found the radius. Radius is equal to diameter by 2, which is equal to 1.5 cm. And for the cone, height is given. So height of the cone is 2 cm. And total height of the model means from this cone to the next cone. So the total height is given to be 12 cm. So these are the given data. From this we have to find the volume of the model. Volume of the model means model represents the two figures. First one is cylinder and two cones. Therefore volume of the model means we have to find the volume of the cylinder and volume of two cones, and then we have to add both the volumes. So before finding the volume, we need the height of this cylinder. Height of the cylinder means it includes this part. If we need this height, then we have to subtract this total height from this height of the cone. So height of the cone in the upper part is 2, the lower part is 2, so totally 4. This should be subtracted from the total height, that is 12. Therefore, height of the cylindrical portion is given by 12 minus height of two cones. So which is one cone is 2, other cone is 2. So 12 minus 4, which is equal to 8 cm. So this is the height of the cylindrical portion. Now we have to find the volume of the model. So required volume equal to volume of cylinder plus volume of two cones. Now as we know, volume of a cylinder is given by pi r squared h plus volume of two cones, that means 2 into volume of a cone. So 2 into volume of a cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Now all the parameters are known. Let us substitute the values. So value of pi is 22 by 7 into radius of cylinder. So radius of cylinder we have found. So it is 1.5. Since it is squared, I am writing 2 times 1.5 into 1.5 into height. Height of the cylinder is 8. Now plus 2 into 1 by 3 pi is 22 by 7 into r squared is 1.5 the whole squared into height of the cone, so which is 2. So now here we cannot cancel, but here this 1.5 can be cancelled. So let us write. Now let us multiply this and write. So which is 22 into 1.5 into 1.5 into 8, which gives you the value as 396 divided by 7. And plus here 2 into 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 1.5 into 1.5 into 2. So 3 and 1.5 can be cancelled, which is 0.5. Now after cancelling this, we have to multiply and divide. So this is 396 by 7 plus, so on multiplying this we have 2 into 33 by 7. So on dividing this we have 56.57 plus, under multiplying this 2 into 33 is 66. So 66 by 7 will give you the value as 9.43. Now we have to add this value. So on adding we have this as 66 centimeter cube. Therefore our required volume is 66 centimeter cube. Thank you.